Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, open keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636, ###. And now you're in testing mode, where you can check phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So let's start with phone info. And here you can come along with email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and plenty of other useful information. Then you can also run ping test. Here simply click on Run Ping Test tab, and below you will find the solution. So let me go back. Then under user statistics, you can read all the details regarding your application. So as you can see, all of them are included here, so you can check the statistics, the usage time, and so on. And then in Wi-Fi information, you can come along with Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So over here you can find disable network, disconnect, enable, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can come along with all the configured networks in your device, in your KRUGER MATZ, and then in Wi-Fi status, you can, by tapping on refresh status, check what your network status is, and also here you can run a ping test the same way as in the previous screen. So click on Run Ping Test, and below you've got the solution. So that will be all for the first code, and it's time for the second one, which is *##, *225, #*#. And now we are in calendar info. Here, if you have your Google account connected with this device, you will be able to read all the info regarding some important events, dates, celebrations, birthdays, and everything that you have included in your calendar. So you have everything in one place, and you will not forget about any important date or event. So this is it. And another code is *##, *##, 426, ***. And as you can see here, you've got the diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also the status. If you will click on the more icon, you can open advanced view, where all the details are included. So this is it. And the last code, and also the shortest one, but I think most useful and most important to use, is *## 06 £. And as you can see, this one pretty quickly can provide you with both email numbers assigned to your device. So this is how you can easily and quickly check what the unique number assigned to your device is. Click on OK to go back. And that would be all. These are all secret codes for your device. Enjoy them and use them as often as you want to and as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.